Welcome to this tutorial on avoiding Python loops. In this video, we'll explore why loops can be slow and how NumPy's vectorized operations offer a much faster alternative for numerical computations. Python loops are interpreted line by line, which makes them significantly slower than compiled operations. When you write a for loop in Python, each iteration is processed individually, resulting in performance bottlenecks, especially when working with large datasets or complex numerical computations. Let's look at a typical Python loop. Here we have a list of numbers from 1 to 5. We create an empty list called squared, then use a for loop to iterate through each number, square it, and append it to our results list. Each iteration processes only one element at a time, making this approach inefficient for large datasets. Now let's see the NumPy approach. We import NumPy as NP, create a NumPy array with the same numbers, and simply use the power operator on the entire array. The result is calculated in one operation. All elements are processed simultaneously, which is dramatically faster. This is the power of vectorization. Vectorization offers 4 major benefits. First, speed. Operations run in optimized C code that's much faster than Python. Second, memory efficiency. NumPy uses efficient data storage and access patterns. Third, readability. Your code becomes cleaner and more expressive. And fourth, scalability. Vectorized operations handle large datasets effortlessly without any code changes. NumPy makes element-wise operations incredibly simple. You can add, multiply, or divide entire arrays using standard operators. For example, adding 2 arrays element by element, multiplying them, or dividing them all happen in single operations without any loops. The syntax is clean and the performance is excellent. NumPy provides universal functions, or ufuncs, that operate on entire arrays. Functions like np.squareroot, np.exponential, np.sign, and np.log all work on complete arrays at once. These are highly optimized mathematical functions that replace the need for loops when performing complex calculations. Broadcasting is a powerful NumPy feature that lets you perform operations between arrays of different shapes. You can add a scalar to an entire matrix, or multiply each row of a matrix by a one-dimensional array. NumPy automatically handles the dimension matching, eliminating the need for nested loops that would be required in pure Python. NumPy includes built-in aggregation functions that process entire arrays efficiently. Functions like np.sum, np.mean, np.max, and np.standard deviation all operate on complete arrays without requiring explicit loops. These functions are optimized and much faster than manually iterating through data to calculate these statistics. The key takeaway is simple. Replace Python loops with vectorized NumPy operations whenever you're working with numerical data. This approach gives you faster execution, cleaner code, and more efficient numerical computing. Start thinking in terms of array operations rather than individual element processing, and your code will be both more elegant and significantly faster.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.